The two questions that were asked of me all the time, and I found very hard to answer, was would Bosnians have suffered a genocide before the noses of the West and NATO if they had nuclear weapons? And the second question was, would Iraq continue to suffer if it had nuclear weapons? The answer to it is yes. Both is, unfortunately, yes. It's an absolute yes. Quite frankly, I think that if Iraq had nuclear weapons, at the moment what you are seeing is about 1 million Iraqis are dying from the cruel sanctions that the United States has imposed upon them. If it had nuclear weapons or even a sign of it, Baghdad would have been the next Hiroshima and Basra the next Nagasaki. They would not have hesitated to do it. Because that other threat of a possible Soviet rivals was also removed. As for Israel, it's a country with a license. It is not a normal country at the moment. And its abnormality should not be, its abnormality should be a subject of opposition and resistance among thinking people, but it should not be a subject of emulation, in my view. Every country is not Iraq. Every people have not gone through the Holocaust. Every state does not have a strong lobby in the United States, and so on and so forth. Every country is not as, perceives itself as threatened as the Israelis do. So there's a whole set of unique characteristics to Israel which makes it unique, and we shouldn't even try to emulate it. That the United States and Israelis themselves, I frankly find the American peace movement totally disgusting when they protest nuclear weapons and do not bring up the name of Iran. Not only is rotting in prison for opposing nuclear weapons, and illegal. He is the nuclear scientist who revealed some of the details of Israeli nuclear program. The Israelis' secret services kidnapped him from Italy, and since then he has been rotting in prison without really a proper trial. So we should protest those things. Just as we must protest Pakistan, we must protest India, we must protest the United States, we must protest Israel too. But we shouldn't try to emulate it, that's all I'm saying. And I really think Bosnia would have occurred without it. Iraq would have been worse if they had the weapons.